What's up guys, welcome to another day of this shit. So just gonna get the digger out the back and start tearing out them blocks over there and them trees, and then we're gonna start dragging back. So the camera went dead yesterday, but we're making progress. We have a good bit done. I have half of it dug out and leveled, so let's have a look. Tom here helped me. So it's not looking so it's not looking too bad. She's getting there. So it's just this and all that to do now. Just watching Tom learn how to do the diggy. It's having fun. You missed it. Oh, fun times. So I'm just gonna munch this out of it and then I'll come back to you when all this is done. So instead of getting a skip, we dumped it all out here because my mate knows a lad that comes out with a grab truck, so he's going to pick all this up for a third of the price of a skip. So I'm going to get him to come out tomorrow and take out what's there, and then obviously tomorrow I'm going to try and get all of this out, get it all done. Tom's there learning on the digger, he's doing a decent job, good man, keeping him busy. Yeah, I just need to whack out the rest of this wall with that sledgehammer, well, lump hammer. I'm going to whack out that now. We are making very good progress, rocking it out. I'm just going to sweep all the heavy stuff up into this pile that's getting collected soon. Just gonna get all this up there. Now that's that done, back out to getting the rest of that muck out. Oh, so it's pretty late, as you can see. It's getting really dark out, but we are all dug out. What I need to do is I need to get a flattener. I don't know what it's actually called. It literally vibrates and squashes everything down flat. But yeah, that's it now. All flat, all level. Squash it down. That's going tomorrow. So's the dumper. All the muck is getting picked up as well. Then I can get the flattener, flatten all this down, and then get the hardcore in and flatten it again. So yeah, it's looking promising. So yeah, today's my birthday, and what better way to spend it than digging out for your own garage. I'm pretty shattered guys, I'm gonna head in, get some dinner. It's looking good though, nice big area. Yeah, gotta go in, get some dinner, chill, and see us tomorrow when we're getting rid of all the crap, all the diggers, the dumpers, and hopefully get a machine that will squash this down tomorrow or the next day, and then hopefully hardcore. So yeah, already if you're not, subscribe, like, comment, share. I do appreciate it. Big things for the channel guys. Nice big garage for my own cars and others if possible. So yeah, don't forget, be dedicated to all your builds, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.